All right, this is going on about, I believe, about 4 miles. 3 miles to 4 miles. All the birds are still here. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay. All right. Looks like there might be a stray pigeon there, or a straggler. Looks like they've all actually arrived already. Okay, so who's first? I know I see some of them up there on the roof. There's the 2 white birds. Okay. Oh, there they are. Hanging out in the sun, in the shade. Yep, they're just hanging out. Come on, let's go. Let's go, come on. Come on. All right, I'm visiting Mr. Dwight today. Just checking out some of his young birds. Look at that, nice young birds. You got any young birds for sale? In case any YouTubers, subscribers might want to buy some birds? Yeah,
I got a few.
You got a few young birds? Do you have them here for us to view? Mr. Dwight's Damascenes. These are the Damascenes. He also sells these. Damascenes, yeah, these are nice to look at. You got some young birds, some young Damascenes. Look how nice they look. The color just looks appealing. Wow.
Yeah, that ice blue.
Yeah. All right, and let's see your young racers. These are late hatches.
Yeah, there's one there.
Oh, that looks nice.
One down there, one there.
Here. Okay, one right. So 3.
Yeah.
You got 3 young birds. You look like you got a 4th one coming along in there.
Two
Some
more
other ones over there.
one there. Yeah.
All right. Okay. How much you want? $50 each?
Yes.
All right.
I gotta go to town.
All right. Second toss of the day. Same spot. Let's go. Let's go. There you go. All right, you guys. Looks like we got more than a few lofts merging together. Here they are. I don't have that many birds. don't know whose flock of bird that is. That's a lot of birds flying right over my neck of the woods. Alright, so we got some communication error going on. Look, these are my birds, alright? Alright, so these are my birds. Okay, and then there's another group right there. Boom, those are not my birds. Alright? So we got two lofts merging right now in my neck of the woods. This might be a long night. This is kind of like New Jersey stock banging. I kind of don't like it. Nobody wants to lose homers before the racing season starts. But those are not my birds. All right, so some of those are my birds. Yeah, most of those are my birds. But there's another group flying around here causing a lot of confusion. All right, so it looks like most of these are my birds, I think. But man, I do not have that many. I don't think I have that big of a flock. And there's a lot of different colored birds right now. All right, these are just my birds, I think. Most of them. There they go. All right. All right. Well, that was a scary moment. Okay. But we still have our guest pigeon. One of our guest pigeons here. And young birds here. These birds. I'm afraid of these young birds flying away. But these ones aren't good at flying yet. And if they get up in the air, when there's a million pigeons up there, then they might get lost or they might get pulled away. So that's the scary part. But anyhow, all right. Look like we were able to pull the bird down. This is a red check, and that other one there, I think that might be my bird. But this one right here is definitely not one of ours. That's a red check. We don't have a red check on the young bird team. We have silvers. We have silvers like that, and that one is a complete red check. But we'll see if he comes down tonight. Come on. All right, sorry for the dirty, messy windows, but look, that red check has landed, and he looks like he wants to go into our loft. Boy, oh boy, I don't know how long I have to sit here and hold the camera up, but he looks like he wants to go into my loft. He's going in my loft. Dude, he just went into my loft. That bird's went to my loft. Got it? Mm-hmm. All right. We trapped this bird. Look how beautiful this is. I feel like keeping this bird. I know this is a special bird too. Look how beautiful the colors are. Wow. The band number on this bird is, it's AU 2021 Pueblo 21137. Wow. I guess it's a lucky bird. I might just have to keep this bird. I think I know who this bird belongs to. It's a Pueblo club that's flying, that's training the birds from our club here. So, but in my opinion, I think this bird is still a little bit too young. Look at the wings on this thing. Nice wing. You know this is a sprint bird for sure. Just look at the wings. This is definitely a good fast bird. Very nice one pin tail. Wow. I feel like I scored big. First what do you call it? Racing pigeon trapped. Woohoo! And it's a beautiful color one too. Mm-hmm. This is not just a red check. This is actually one of those very fine colors. All right. Yep. There's the bird. This is where he'll be sleeping tonight until I figure out who the owner is. What a beautiful bird. I don't mind keeping this bird if you don't want it. Okay. But yeah, all my birds are here. I didn't lose any guest birds. Another guest bird here there. Okay, so that was a very, very scary day because they had a huge flock flying right over our loft. So we're doing good. Okay, Rodolfo, here's your bird. All right. Bye-bye. Alright, I've just gotten back from California. Browse through and head count. Let's go out flying. Come on, guys. It's been a while. I know you guys want to fly. Come on, come on. All the young birds have matured now. Look at that. Just 3 days made a huge difference. I'm going to loft fly the heck out of them today. And then we're going to go road train like crazy. All right, this is about 5 miles. All right, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. This is 5 miles. See all the smoke and haze, and the wildfires, and then we got a lot of clouds also. But there shouldn't be any problems. The birds should be home in about 20 minutes or so. All right, these are the young birds. First time out. Come on, let's go. Young bird, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Come on. There they go. Perfect. All right. We got one that just took off that way. Clumsy one. And here's a few more. All right, looks like all the older birds are back. All right, they're all back. Well, most of them are. Anyone that does not come back will not make it to the racing team. Come on, man, let's go, let's go.